Happy Mother's Day. We're going to do an Italian dish, chicken parmesan. All right, folks, today my buddy Freddie is going to make chicken parmesan with the spaghetti. Good Italian dish. Tomato sauce, get the best you can get. Some garlic and some seasonings, some pepper. So Freddie, what we got here? We got some chicken breast, right? Chicken breast. We got an egg, 3 eggs beaten, nice. And we got, instead of the flour and the breadcrumbs, we're going to use strictly breadcrumbs. Good stuff, folks. I'm not promoting them. Progresso Italian style breadcrumbs. We're going to get this party started here. Fred's going to show us how this is done. Then we're going to throw them what do we do then? After this, we put them in the frying pan for a little bit? Yeah. Yeah? Cool. All right. Well, chicken parmesan, folks. Here we go. So like I said, folks, you can add your seasonings to breadcrumbs and flour and all that good stuff. But we decided we're going to do the Progresso. It's got a lot of good seasoning in it. And we're going to use that, like I said. And we're going to make it. We got to fry some, partially fry it. Then we're going to put it in the oven with some mozzarella cheese. The best. So Freddie, how's this done exactly? So we go like that, dip it in the egg, right?
Yeah.
This is your mother's recipe?
Yeah.
Kind of, sort of? All right, dip it in the old egg. And then you go like that. And you put it in the breadcrumbs. So that's how you do it. And then you go from there. Put it in the old plate of Rooney. Well, this looks like some healthy, what is that, chicken breast?
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a man that don't want to get his hands dirty. Neither do I. Hey, but Mama's laying down, and it's Mother's Day, right, Fred? Yeah. And we said we got to cook this for the mama tonight. All the mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. So we're going to bread these up, and then we're going to put them in the frying pan for a short time. How long do you put it in the frying pan for?
10 minutes.
Just a little bit. Get them. Then you put them on a tray in the oven, right?
Yeah.
And you put the the mozzarella cheese on top.
Yeah.
And then you got pasta and the sauce. Well, the sauce is simmering nicely. And we're about ready to put these puppies on the frying pan just for a short time. Put them in a tray in the oven for 350 degrees with a little bit of mozzarella on top or something like that. Look at that. Look how nice, huh? Look how nice. The water's starting to boil. Boom, boom, boom. This is Grilling and Chilling with Dave, brought to you by Mr. Freddie, and Happy Mother's Day, Blanca. Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Stay tuned. We're going to finish this nice dish off. There you have it, folks. Chicken parmesan. There you go. That's what I was looking for, that smile right there. That's the one I'm going to spaghetti. And instead of the greens, we're going to have Texas toast on the side. I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. Thanks for watching Grilling and Chilling with Dave. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And we thank you very much. And once again, happy Mother's Day. Besides the mozzarella on the chicken parmesan, we always gotta put a little parmesan on top of the spaghetti. I'm gonna put some more sauce on here, but I didn't want to smother it, so you all can enjoy it and just savor it and cook it. Very easy to cook. God bless you all. We'll talk to you later.